karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to replace battery on Bianchi bike light. Okay, so guys, this is Bianchi bike light. Okay, so you can just wrap it around your bike handlebar or on the seat pillar and you are good to go. So now if you can see the battery is quite weak on this light, so today I'm going to replace it. Okay, now guys, to replace this battery, so what you need is you need a Phillips screwdriver, and you see on the back side of this light there is a back cover. Okay, simply open the cover like this and take off the back cover, and here you can see the battery. So guys, this light, it uses 2032 lithium ion battery. Okay, so this uses CR2032 model of battery. Okay, this is a 3-volt battery. So now I'm going to replace it with the new one. So this is the battery specification 2032. I'll take it out. Okay, so here is the negative and this is the negative. Put negative on negative and then put the cover back like this and tighten the screw. Okay, now let us see. Oh, see the difference? So guys, this is how you replace a battery on Bianchi bike light. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more and more how to do stuff and technical reviews. And all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.